In this video, you'll learn how to assemble a diagonal wall corner cabinet.
To assemble this cabinet, you will need the following tools and supplies: a power drill equipped with a Phillips head bit or a Phillips head screwdriver, a dead blow hammer or rubber mallet, and a staple gun. While an air-powered pneumatic staple gun will make the job easier, you can also use an inexpensive manual staple gun. We tested the Arrow Model T50 heavy-duty staple gun with success, and this model can be found for under $20 at most hardware stores. You'll also need the appropriate 3/8 or 10mm staples for your staple gun, as well as a bottle of wood glue, which will form the primary bond that holds your cabinet together.
We'll start off by attaching three 22.5-degree assembly brackets along the edge of the front panel. You can place these brackets in the general vicinity shown here. Remember that the placement of these angle brackets is much less important than having a good snug fit so that your glue will dry properly. It is the glue that creates the permanent bond that holds your cabinet together. Repeat the previous steps on the opposite side. Now we'll apply a bead of wood glue along all of the grooves. If you accidentally apply too much glue, simply wipe off the excess with a damp cloth. Next, slide the top and bottom panels into place along the grooves. Make sure they line up flush with the grooves, and make sure they settle in all the way. Now, we'll attach three 90-degree assembly brackets to the top and bottom of the cabinet. Place your assembly brackets in the general vicinity shown here. Now remember, the placement of these angle brackets is much less important than having a good snug fit so that your glue will dry properly. It is the glue that creates the permanent bond that holds your cabinets together. Attach brackets the same way on the opposite side. Next, slide a side panel into place and then fasten it together using staples. Then, use 1 3/4 wood screws, which are included, to attach it to the top and bottom panels. Now slide the back corner panel into place, make sure it is nice and flush, and then slide the other side panel into place. Double check the fitment and alignment on all the edges, and then staple it along the seams. Now fasten it together using 1 3/4 wood screws in the pre-drilled holes. Once again, double check the fitment of the back corner panel and make sure it is flush with the side panels. If it's not, use a rubber mallet or dead blow hammer to tap it until it is perfectly flush. Then, you can put the 1 3/4 wood screws in this panel to secure it to the top and bottom panels. Don't forget to attach the clear bumpers to the closing edges of the door. Put one at the top and one at the bottom. The shelves will fit into the cabinet when turned on an angle. Use the support pegs to put them where you would like them.